Hello, Reverend Dr. Anthusa Helena, owner, developer of Sollite, Integrative medicine for healing and conscious awakening. For more details, log on to www.sollite.com. While you're there, upload your free one-page PDF meditation. It's a complimentary gift for you. And also look for details on our private sessions and professional and non-professional training programs, meaning the professional programs are longer in length and usually taken by those in the profession of psychotherapy, psychology, etc., alternative medicine. So today, I'm speaking to you about emotions. This series has been in the making and development for the last 6 months. So this is the promotional series of the 3-part program, looking specifically for our main human experiences of emotions that can be challenging: fear, anger, and grief. And as I explained them to you during this live podcast video right now, I'm giving you a different viewpoint from a spiritual angle. Also, if you want more detailed research, medical, scientific, written word on these subjects, do private message me or comment on this social media venue, and I'll make sure I get that out to you right away. Thank you. Let me start by sharing the graphic of the 3 live videos. So this is the emotional video series. Emotions dictate our behavior and affect our life and health. They get triggered from our hidden wounds and impact the quality of our lives, our relationships, and our ability to be loved and to love others. When these wounds remain unresolved, we unconsciously put the people we love through the same pain and suffering we're experiencing. Now, this goes back to the human experience of the paradox of duality. Our world and human brain contains opposites, creating the illusion of separation. The secret is that within this duality is found unity. How do you find this unity within opposites and duality, you ask? The key is through awareness. Awareness is curative, and it's the first step to take for healing and conscious awakening. Both healing and conscious awakening go hand in hand together in the process. Wisdom is seeing life through the viewpoint of infinite source, not through the viewpoint of your human nature. To explain further, let's look at these 3 main emotions. Briefly, fear. This energy makes us irrational, in which our own consciousness can completely get lost. Don't get lost in fear. Separate what is real from what is not. Connect to truth. Anger. Fear ultimately breeds anger, and excessive anger leads to hate, which leads to suffering and pain. As we search for blame, feel intense guilt, and lash out towards our own selves and others. The awareness is unity. Once you see unity in everything, you are able to see the mirror of what's happening with the other person or the situation outwardly, and be able to see anger in a different way. Grief. As you heal and let go of who you thought you were, you go through a grieving process during your return to the truth of who you really are. As you let go of false identities of who you thought you were, you experience remorse and regret during the process of healing and awakening on your way to returning to truth, the truth of who you really are. Feelings occur for a reason. They have hidden messages. We need to listen to these messages. Ask what they are helping you understand and what they are teaching you about yourself. What heals is to come face to face with these emotions. Own your part in the events that cause them and learn the lessons that they reveal. From a spiritual viewpoint, this is a catalyst for great awakening and rebirth. Give space to your emotions, self-care to your heart, and nourishment to your soul. You deserve it. Again, if you want more detailed information, private message me and I'll send you the written word explanation, as well as log on to www.sollite.com. Feel free to peruse what Sollite offers in private sessions and training programs to all. And I want to wish you from the deepest part of my heart all the love, blessings, and abundance from myself to you. May you stay safe and well. One more thing, each individual video is also able to be viewed on my YouTube channel, Sollite and Thusa Helena, as well as a lot of other free instructional information. And there's another recent self-care series I had just completed 6 months prior to this emotional outline on emotions. All right, be happy, stay well, safe, and prosperous. Much love. Have a wonderful day.